Hello, my friends, and welcome back. If you're passionate about uncovering hidden treasures, you're in for a treat right now. Today, we're embarking on a journey to the captivating city of Turin, nestled in the heart of northern Italy. So, let's dive into the rich world of Turin's art and architecture. Turin, with its rich history and cultural heritage, stands as a true gem in northern Italy. Renowned for its elegant architecture and world-class art, this city is a haven for art aficionados and history buffs alike. Prepare to be enthralled by the magnificent treasures that await you in Turin. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the breathtaking Turin Cathedral, home to the famous Shroud of Turin. Step inside this ancient place of worship and behold the awe-inspiring beauty of the cathedral's architecture. Marvel at the intricate details of the Renaissance-era Chapel of the Holy Shroud, a true testament to human craftsmanship and devotion. As you explore this sacred site, you will be transported through centuries of history and faith, immersing yourself in a world of wonder and reverence. Turin is also renowned for its impressive collection of art museums, which offer an unparalleled experience for art enthusiasts. Among them, the Museo Egizio stands as one of the world's most significant Egyptology museums. Housing a vast collection of Egyptian artifacts, the museum showcases the rich and enigmatic culture of ancient Egypt. From stunning statues that exude a sense of grandeur to well-preserved mummies that evoke a sense of mystery, every exhibit in this museum tells a story of a bygone era. Prepare to be captivated as you traverse the halls, marveling at the beauty and significance of each artifact. Another must-visit destination is the Palazzo Madama, a striking palace that seamlessly blends medieval and Baroque architecture. As you step inside, you will find yourself surrounded by opulent halls and rooms adorned with beautiful frescoes and intricate decorations. The palace itself is a work of art, serving as a testament to the grandeur and artistic prowess of its creators. Beyond its architectural splendor, the Palazzo Madama houses an impressive collection of art that spans various periods and styles. From Renaissance masterpieces to contemporary works, this art sanctuary offers a diverse and enriching experience for art lovers of all tastes. Turin's architectural marvels extend beyond individual buildings, as the city itself becomes an open-air gallery. The Mole Antonelliana, a towering symbol of Turin, stands as an architectural masterpiece. Originally conceived as a synagogue, this magnificent structure now houses the National Cinema Museum. Ascend to its summit via an elevator ride and be rewarded with panoramic views of Turin's skyline, a breathtaking vantage point that allows you to appreciate the city's architectural splendor from above. But Turin's artistic wonders are not confined to grand structures alone. As you wander through the city's streets and squares, you will encounter countless sculptures and art installations that add to its vibrant cultural landscape. Every corner holds the potential for delightful surprises, as art emerges unexpectedly, inviting you to pause and reflect on its beauty and meaning. And that concludes our journey through Turin's treasures, where art and architecture coalesce to create a captivating experience. We hope you've been inspired to explore this vibrant city and discover its hidden gems. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel content. Until next time, keep exploring, and may your adventures be filled with art and wonder. Until next time, thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. I pray you have a great day and thank you so much. Ciao!